Hello techies, welcome back to Elfin Code channel. If you have yet not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe this channel and also like the video and hit the notification button. So today we are going to see a regex operation where we will be trying to extract some of the headers from the paragraph. So let us begin with the video. Thank you.
Welcome. So today we will be using this regex pattern to scrap something from the existing paragraph. So here we are targeting to scrap the headers from the given paragraph. So now to scrap any particular header from the paragraph, you need to first find. So there are basically two steps. So you need to first find the pattern which is common to all the headers, and then once you are establishing that common between all those headers, you need to create that regex pattern for those common part, and thereafter you need to scrap the entire line from the headers. So you need to write some kind of expression, okay, which will be helping you to scrap the entire pattern. Now after scrapping the pattern, you need to just decide what you need to keep in your scrapped output, because you may not be needing all those things which are common to all the headers. So you need to remove that part and only keeping those part which is required. Okay, so these are the two basic steps which need to be performed in any kind of header scrapping. So let us directly go to the online portal where we have where I have already kept a paragraph, and from this paragraph we'll see how we can scrap all these headers. So if you see this paragraph, here we have section 1 overview, section 2 and then some kind of header, and section 3 some kind of headers. Okay, so we are interested to scrap these portions. Okay, so let us write some kind of regex pattern for this. As you can see, this all these are starting from capital letter and then proceeding with some kind of characters. Okay, then there's a space and then there's a digit, again there's a space, there's a hyphen, and then again there's a space, and then the description of the headers are continuing from there. Okay, so let us write so I'm interested first to check A to Z, which is kind of capital, and then I am also interested to know A to Z in small, and in case of if there's any okay, so here in this part we can't find any kind of digit, so we don't actually require to put 0 to 9. Okay, so this is one scrap. Okay, now I want this pattern to be matched for all the letters which are following this pattern. Okay, so I want S, E, C, T, I, O, N, all the characters need to be it should be following this particular regex pattern. So what I can do, I can just add this plus. Okay, so this is done, and thereafter what I need to do, I have a space here. Okay, so I just need to put a space here. Okay, so the space is done, and thereafter I have hyphen. So for hyphen, what I should be doing, I have an escape character, this, and then hyphen. Okay, okay, hyphen. It should be like this, this, and maybe you can use hyphen and then enclosed, and then I'll say I want one character to be checked as a hyphen. Okay, okay. Oh no, I don't have hyphen here, I have a digit here. So I first need to check for the digit D. Okay, and I want only one character to be checked as a digit. Okay, so one character is being checked as a digit. Okay, so this is done, and then I will say, okay, you understood why we put question mark here, because we want only one character to be checked. Post this space, one character to be checked with the numeric value. For numeric value we have slash D. Okay, so slash D will be checked for only one character. Okay, so here till this point we have already covered the regex pattern. Then again we have a space, so we can put a space here, and then we said that we have a hyphen. Okay, so we can give hyphen here like this, and again we want this hyphen to be checked for only one character. Okay, so this is again done, and then we have one more space, and then we have this particular description. Okay, for description, so description could be capital A to Z, A to Z, and 0 to 9. Okay, so all these matches need to be checked for all the characters. Okay, so at present if you see, the highlighted portion is only taking one character and checking it with this regex pattern, but I want all the character following this hyphen to be checked with this pattern. Okay, so what I can do, I'll just put a plus here. Okay, so now you can see all these are getting checked. And now what more I can do, I can say that okay, I can put like this dollar. Okay, question, I'll say this, I'll say plus, and I'll say dollar. Okay, I have a space also to map. Okay, and then I'll say this has dollar. Okay, so now you can see that we are able to extract the complete description from the header section. So everything is coming like this. Okay, now so this is one part. Okay, now let's do one thing. Now what we can do, we can uh, okay, so fine. Okay, now we need to remove this section 1 hyphen and all this thing. So we are interested only scrapping this part. Okay, so what we can do, first let's do one thing. Let's put this expression in the code window and check if it is working fine or not. Okay, so I can do header pattern equal to this, and then I'll say header pattern. I'm interested to find header pattern from the text 3. Okay, okay, so here this dollar is not matching. Okay, so here you see that all the header sections are extracted properly, okay, from the given headers. So section 1 and section 2, so it is having only two header section. So from this the header sections are already extracted. Okay, now now I'm interested to remove this part. Okay, so to remove this part, what I can do, I have to group it. So I'll say that this, and I'll say this. Okay, so if you see here, if I put this, if I put this, if I put this, I'm able to scrap everything. Okay, so the same thing I can do it here as well. So I'll just so go and tell this and this. Okay, so if you see here, now I'm able to scrap the exact header. Okay, so there is no section 1 section 2 coming. So this is a pure header which I can able to extract. Okay, just to revise what we have done, so here we have the section. Okay, so the section can consist of A to Z, capital A to Z and small a to Z, and then we have a plus mark which tells that all the character need to be checked with this particular string. Okay, then we checked with one space. Okay, we put a one space and then that high this space, and then we have a digit check. For digit check we have slash d and question mark. Okay, then we have again space. Okay, and then we have this hyphen is again checked with only one particular character. Then we have again one space, and then we have this pattern which is giving me the entire description post this part. Okay, post this blue part. Okay, and then I checked it for all the string after this with this particular pattern, and then I put a kind of dollar sign which tells the end of the statement. Okay, and then I just want, since I want to extract only this part, leaving this part, what I did, I put this parenthesis. So if you see here in the guide section also, so capture everything enclosed in this. Okay, so it will be it will be matching with all this regular expression, but it will extract only the part which is enclosed in this in this bracket, this parenthesis. Okay, so this is how you can use to extract the header information. I hope you understood this this way to write regex operation to extract the header from any given paragraph.
Elfin quiz of the day. Which function is used to search for a pattern at the beginning of a string? Option A, find. Option B, match. Option C, search. Option D, locate. Mention your answer in the comment section below. Quiz
I
3.
hope you must have liked the video and must have learned how to extract, any specific pattern from the paragraph. We will be bringing a lot of such interesting video. Please do subscribe this channel if you have yet not done. Thank you.